Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are in place. Install the latest GeForce driver and reboot. Once done, run Windows Update and restart again so system files align. Then open Device Manager and check the Nvidia GPU shows with no warning icons. Make sure the driver date matches the package you installed. Next, launch Nvidia Control Panel from the desktop context menu or Start menu. If it's missing, pause here and proceed to the driver repair step in the next slide. You should perform a clean reinstall using the Nvidia installer's custom clean install option to reset control panel settings. Once reinstalled, run Nvidia SMI or open Nvidia Profile Inspector to confirm the driver exposes profiles and monitor connections. Next, start the Nvidia Control Panel service, NVSVC, and set it to automatic. If options remain hidden, use the registry key HKey local machine /software /Nvidia Corporation to ensure feature set entries aren't locked. Make sure to run these tools. You finish by restarting the Nvidia services and the client application, then open Nvidia Control Panel and verify the additional options appear. If they do not, delete the user config files in appdata /local /Nvidia Corporation to force regeneration and relaunch. If problems persist, perform a driver rollback or use display driver uninstaller. In safe mode, then reinstall the driver cleanly. This often resolves corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: always test changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.